If you want to stop losing money in financial market, this is for you. Just watch till the end. In this video, I will teach you how to eliminate emotion from your trading and how you can automate and create your first trading bot without having knowledge by a tool that is free. I want to create my first bot and I will tell you from scratch how you can create it. And after that, we will create one account in my FXBook and FXBlue, and you can track my data from the link below to the description. Just watch the video and let's go to the screen. First, simply search XAUBOT on Google and open the official website. Once the page loads, click Start Free Trial to activate your free demo account. There is no need to enter any credit card information. Just fill in your email, select your country, and click Purchase. As you can see, I already activate one free trial and it works for 15 days. After that, you can choose any of the pricing plan if you want to continue. Next, go to create and manage bot. Here you will see the list of the bot you have created. But in this video, I want to create a new bot from scratch and run it on my real account and then show you the actual trading results on my FXBook and FXBlue. You can see the actual result from the link below every time after publishing this video to see and verify the result that I am telling you. Right now, click on create bot. You will notice that crypto and indices are locked for premium user. You can upgrade anytime based on how many account number you want to connect. For example, if you want one account number, you can go for basic plan. If you want two account number, you can go for pro plan. Or if you want three account number, you can go for business plan. For now, I'm choosing Forex and multi-level strategy, and I will continue with the default setting. On this page, you can see the strategy detail, entry logic, key point, and notes explaining exactly how this strategy works. So this will give you a clear idea about the entering and closing trade. So right now you can click on next. For capital, I'm selecting more than $1,000. The default drawdown and technical parameter I find for me now. If you click on each parameter, you can see the explanation, but I will leave everything undefined. The time frame is M15, which is good for me, and you can change it if you want. Daily news is off by default and I will keep it off. AI decision is also optional and I won't enable it. Click on the next. Now we need a name. You can choose whatever you want. Since this is a multi-level strategy, the system will open different levels to close trades. This can be risky, you remember. Personally, I prefer a scalp strategy, but if you have a larger balance, multi-level works well. Just make sure you decrease the lot size so the risk stays reasonable. The bot is now ready and you can download MT5 or MT4 version of the bot. I will look for MT5. Next, I will need a VPS. You can use your own computer, but I prefer VPS because I provided stable performance and accurate result. If you don't know where to buy VPS, simply search buy Forex VPS on Google. Any provider works well. I will connect to my VPS now. After logging in, I will open my broker, which is Forex. This is my real account. I will log in with my account number and password. As you can see, it's a real account and I have one trade already open. Now I want this new bot to trade for me on this account and I will not open any other position by myself. Right now you have to open MetaTrader, file, and open data folder and MQL5 expert and paste the bot file here. Then go to tools, option, expert advisor, and enable allow DLL import and allow algo trading. You will also need to add XAUBOT website URL for the license verification. Next, I will go back to the website and assign my account number to the bot license. This ensures the bot is authorized to run on this account number. Now on the VPS, refresh the expert advisor list in MetaTrader. You will see the bot appear. Drag in onto the chart, choose the setting and add the license key that you get from the website and click on OK. Since today is Sunday and the market is closed, the bot won't start trading yet. But once the market opens, you will see actively in the Expert Advisor and Journal tab. Inside the XAUBOT dashboard, you also have a help center. If you face any issue like trading disabled, you can find complete step-by-step guide with image showing you exactly how to fix it. There are also setup tutorials on how to enable the news filter, how to install robots, and more. In the invite friend selection, you can earn 10 to 25% commission for referral. Your referral link and earning will appear here. If you want to create another bot, you can repeat the same steps. Choose Forex, Metal, multi-level, or any available strategy. In the pricing plan page, you can upgrade to Premium, which gives you more strategy, multiple account, and full access. I upgraded my plan to Premium so I can run the bot on my real account without restriction. Now everything is active, the license is valid, and once the market opens, the bot will start trading automatically. You can follow the daily results from the link below in the video. My starting balance is 5,029 and I won't open any manual trade. Everything will be done by the bot to see the performance better. In the Expert tab, you will see messages confirming the bot is active. If you are on trial, the license only works on demo account. Remember, this is very important. For real account, you must upgrade to the pricing plan and paid plan. Everything is now set up correctly. Let's wait for the market to be open and you can see the result every time from the link below. Don't forget to check the live performance from the link, and have a great day and trade safety.